Hi there, I'm here to introduce you to Deluvia's Dead Sea skincare line. I use these every day, no fail, because they make my skin clean, smooth, and healthier than ever without causing any irritation. Starting with the cleanser. It gently cleanses away dirt and oil without leaving any residue on my face. Plus, it's enhanced with plant lipids and aloe to soothe and protect, which makes it perfect for sensitive skin. Next, I apply the clarifying toner. Being alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and dye-free, this toner gives me everything I need and nothing that I don't. I use this to tighten my pores and prepare the surface of my skin for the nutrient-packed rejuvenating facial cream. This facial cream is the cherry on top, nourishing my skin with the perfect high concentration blend of vitamins and minerals, while also hydrating my skin to handle any dryness. Not only that, it acts as an extra layer of defense against free radicals, making my face feel silky smooth all day long. But wait, there's one last thing that I can't leave out, and that's the Hydrating Eye Cream. This baby has been specially formulated to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness around my eyes. Use after the facial cream specifically around your eyes to help lock in moisture and keep your skin firm and tight. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy!